Hi everyone! I wanted to show you how to create your purifying, I guess, air spritzer, or for face, for hair, for anything. I already have some distilled water in here. I'm going to put some of the rubbing alcohol, even though this says 50%, but we're going to put a lot of other goodies in there. So I'm going to put just a little bit, because I'd like to put the colloidal silver, hydrogen peroxide, all sorts of other essential oils, all that are very purifying and uplifting and balancing, but most important is the purifying and antioxidant and all that other good stuff. Now, I can't promise that this is against the virus, but at least you can sanitize. Okay, so that's hydrogen peroxide. I'm making two. I'm making some for gifts, and also some people ask me to create all sorts of essentials for them right now, and I'm happy about that because being my new company is actually a social one and we're all social distancing. I'm thankful for everyone that would like to order some items or just do some distant outdoor workshops and things like that. Alright, so we just added some colloidal silver, hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol. Next, I'm going to put in tea tree essential oil, which is actually key. That is a really important one. And I'm going to probably put a lot of drops of those, even though people might not like that smell, but the whole purpose is to purify, detoxify, and just keep all those germs away. Next, I'm going to put in some clove. Oh, I'm also going to put in this natural alcohol. I don't know if you see I'm wearing gloves. Alright, so I'm going to put in some of this also just to purify, and that's really to keep everything away. So that's the alcohol part of it. A little bit in there as well, just enough. Next, I'm going to put in some lemon essential oil. These are all really for purifying and also, well, a little bit of fresh scent, but mainly to detoxify, antiviral, antivirus, anti-everything. Okay, so that's lemon. And now I already put the tea tree. Palo Santo is amazing. Palo Santo is really, it's got all the different properties. Very expensive, but it has some of the best antiviral, antioxidant, anti-everything properties. Clove bud as well. So let's get some of that in there. And this actually smells really nice. Come on. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. A little one here as well. Putting about 5 drops. Put about 5 drops of each, really. Okay. And I'm going to then put in some rosemary as well. Again, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, whatever, you know. Doesn't have to be exact. Okay. Oh, it smells so good in here. I've got my whole laboratory here. You don't really see it, but that's the Palo Santo, lemon, rosemary, clove. We did the tea tree, and I'm going to the alcohol, the colloidal silver, and now I'm going to put some lavender just to kind of smell nice. All right, let's get it in there. And also just de-stress, relax. We all need that right now. Okay, a little bit of the lavender. Good. I'm also going to put some cypress because that's actually just bringing the outdoors in, purifying, detoxifying, and all. That smells great. Cypress in one on the left, and I like the fir needle. That's amazing. Oh wow, that's great. All right, so we're going to put some of the fir needle again, a little outdoor, indoor. That's for the scent and also just to lift your moods and purify. All about purifying and detoxifying and anti-everything. So that should be about enough. I'm going to give that a little bit of a mix. Get my cap. Oh, that's pretty. Why is that so big? All right, we're going to cut that. Okay. Give it a test. Well, that works. Yay. All right, well, come by for more, and I'll be posting a few other ways to both enjoy while we're indoors and detoxify and create your own wellness oasis indoors. I actually created these gorgeous little botanical heavenly things that you can also hang on your like as a chain or anywhere, and it has our messaging of love, hope, and believe. And when you open that up, each one is different. That's peppermint. God, that's uplifting. That's amazing. So that's all organic peppermint, and I've got some crystals and some menthol, and I have about 8 different kinds, and I'll show you that soon.